Okay, let me show you today's exciting job. I wanted to be laying turf today, but unfortunately yesterday the oil cooler to the van exploded. So here's the new one. And this is how you do it. Basically, jack it up like so. And then Mr. Oil Cooler is under here in the most inaccessible place. He's right up there. So this is what we've got to take off. So we need to undo these 4 bolts, take the filter off and undo these 2 pipes and another pipe right at the top there. And then that should hopefully come off. And here's where it gets super messy all over my nice clean driveway. This is the oil filter coming off, and every time you take these off, it pours with oil. There it goes. Hate it. Messy, messy, messy. Okay, I've had my oil shower. Now I'm ready for my coolant shower. Such a lovely way to spend a Friday. Here we go. So this comes off, the coolant comes out. So let it all drain out slowly, and then we can take the whole cooler off. There we go, it is free. That's what it looks like. It was a bit tight. I had to take some of the suspension off to get it out, but that's the old one. And this is why I was changing it, because under here this should be lovely and red, but it was all sort of black and scummy. So that's either head gasket or the oil cooler. So hopefully it's just the oil cooler. Right, now let's get the new one on. So the new one is waiting in here, all lovely and shiny. So we'll put that on and then put the oil back in it, put the fluids back in it, and hopefully I have a working van. But first, before we fit our shiny new part, we need to wash this out, because we've had an oil cooler failure, so all the oil's got into this. So what we do is we just undo the clamps like so, and then pull back this comes off like that, and then we can undo this nut down here. There we go, that just comes out like that. Don't want to lose that, and then this will pull off. So we take that out, take that over to the tap, and we need to fill it with this stuff, which will dissolve the oil. And then when it's lovely and squeaky clean, we are ready to put it back on and then fill it with the lovely red clean antifreeze, and that should be some of the problems sorted. What I'm going to do as well, while the cooling system is depressurized, is change my thermostat, because the heater was a little bit cold in the winter. So normally it's your thermostat. So you take this bit off, you undo the 3 nuts, take that head off, and then you reach inside like so, and you pull out the thermostat, which looks exactly like that. There you go, that's about a £5 part, well worth doing when it's out. So there we go, simple as. So water's back in, all topped up, we check the oil, everything seems okay, new parts on. You have to pretend that it's the same day and not in fact a week later, because the eBay guy sent me the wrong part. So the only thing I've got to do now is change over to summer tyres. So these are winters, got little cuts in, these are summers. Change them over, and that's it. So if you're still watching, you are now a qualified field mechanic. Well done.